Hello, I am Oliver from the company eTrading Europe, and in this video I want to show you what we have in the warehouse. It is original Dyson motorized cleaner head for your Dyson vacuum cleaner. As you might already know, we often have Dyson original spare parts, accessories and batteries in the warehouse. If you are interested in any of them, please contact me or one of my colleagues and we will be able to assist you. More information you can find under this video. Thank you for watching it. See you later.